all of the new toilets that we have, unfortunately, they don't all, it used to be you could pretty much grab a flapper and change one out. Unfortunately, with all the different styles of toilets and brands and everything else, a lot of them are getting pretty type specific to where you have to have a Kohler flapper to go into it, or a Gerber flapper, or an American Standard flapper. There are even some that have buttons on top of the toilet that they don't even have a flapper, they have gasket seals. I mean, if it's an old tried and true, 1980s something toilet, then yeah, an easy thing to do would be to replace the flapper if you notice that your toilet is running intermittently.
This is the red rubber piece at the bottom. When you push down on the handle, it lifts up the flapper, and that's what allows it to flush.
Okay.
So if changing a flapper doesn't seem like an easy process for you, then the best thing to do is get a hold of us at Lutz Plumbing. We'll have a technician come out and get everything taken care of for you.